A lot of people have been talking about the FIFA 2026 World Cup and it has been so disturbing. I had to go check it out, and guess what? It's so true. FIFA and YouTube are coming together to make a lot of content creators huge money, and for me, I'm not sure I'll be missing this for anything. Who doesn't like easy money, yeah? But hold up, here you are, 9 to 5er, or just a lazy guy. You don't know how to edit videos, you don't really have time to do that. And now, so many content creators will be jumping on this opportunity, and the internet will be flooded with loads of content of football. Are you thinking to yourself, how do I milk this opportunity too? Don't worry, that's why I'm here, because I'm also that lazy guy. So in this video, we're going to be showing you easy ways to be part of this without, losing your 9 to 5, stressing yourself, or, losing your chill self, and still making loads of money from FIFA and YouTube. So in order to do that, I'm going to show you how to source this clip, how to download your clips, and how to edit this clip with CapCut. But before we go into this, we're making use of two things. One, CapCut, you already know, and two, an extension called Image Downloader. Don't worry, I'll put it through step by step. Don't forget, remember to give this video a like, subscribe to this channel, and click on the notification bell so the next time we upload a video, you are going to be part of this. And if you've not joined our creative community, in order to make this easy for you, why not just go to the description, click on the link, and join our community, so it's easier for you to get every single juice on editing we have for you, turning you from a beginner to professional at your home pace. Let's jump right in. So first, we source for our clip. How do we source for our clip? We'll open Google Chrome and search for Footballia. Footballia.e.u. This website is going to be in the description of this video, so you can just click the link and come here. So when you come here, you have to register, or you have to sign up by clicking. There'll be a sign up and a sign in button. I already have an account, so I don't think there's any need for me to sign up because I already have an account. So once you come to Footballia, you can see that in this place, this is where you have football matches, like recorded live football matches that have been played. All of the clips are here. So when you come here, in order to search for the football matches, you go to search, and let's say we want to focus on the player like C Ronaldo. So I just type C Ronaldo on the search bar here, and you click enter. We have different Ronaldos, but this is one we're looking for, so we click on C Ronaldo. So you can choose to focus on any player. You choose to focus on Messi, Neymar, anybody. Friendly advice: the more recent the match is, the more clearer the video is going to be. So we would not want to be going down to 2002, 2003. Those videos will definitely not be clear enough for us to download and make videos out of them. So definitely when we come here, you could see all the matches that have been played that C Ronaldo had been part of, from clubs, World Cups, and all of that. So we want to look for a more recent match, like from 2020 upward. I think from there we have more clearer videos from 2020 upward, which is one we'll love to focus on. So I think I'll just focus on this Portugal Ireland friendly match, and I'll click on it. Once we come here, so in order to download from this site, we're going to be using a very weird method, but it really works. So we're going to right click on this page. You could just right click anywhere, but just right click on the page, and it's going to bring out this tray, and we go down to inspect here, and we click on inspect, and it's going to bring out all of this. Don't be scared, calm down. There'll be no coding in this video or anything like that. If you find yours like this, there should be more options here, but if yours is not showing more options, we could drag this, and you see more options at the top here. It's going to reveal itself, but if yours is not showing more options, you just be able to drag it, or you just click the arrow here and you'll be able to check out more, see more options. Now the reason why we want to see more, because we need to click on some specific things, like for example network is our target. So we come here and we click network, we click image, everything I do, just follow step by step so we don't miss anything. So after clicking on network, you click on media. So after clicking on media, we're going to come back to the video and we're going to click on the video. So you can just click on it once or twice, thereabouts, and it's going to bring out, if you notice, there's something here. It's popped out something. Now this is the video that we want to download. So it has given us a downloadable version of the video we're looking for. So we just on this video, we just double click on it. Remember I said double click. If you click once, it's not going to bring you down to this new tab, and down here you see 3 dots. So you click on the 3 dots and here you see download, and you click on download and voila, you have your file. Just click save. So yeah, the next thing we'll be downloading is the extension, and this extension, like I said, is called image downloader, and you search for image downloader Chrome extension. You can see it's out here, and you just click image downloader and you just add it to Chrome. For me, I already have it, so I don't think there's any need for me searching for it. I already have it, so just add it to Chrome, and once you add it to Chrome, you pin it, and you're just going to have it at the top here, just like mine over here. So after that, now we search for the images we might need for this particular video. We come to Google and we search for C Ronaldo Portugal jersey. So we would need images of C Ronaldo putting on a Portugal jersey. So after that, we go to make sure that you are on image. So after that, you come to the image downloader, the extension that we downloaded. You come over here and you click on it, right? So you can see here we have this image. I believe this is a JPEG. You click here, so you see it downloads. Yeah, you can see here it's actually a JPEG, and if you look, the quality is pretty good. So you can see this one. This is JPEG 2. Yeah, so we can search for as much as you want. So now we have our images, we have our content. Next step is editing the video. So now we go to CapCut. So this is our CapCut. For this particular video, we'll be focusing on creating shorts. In order to get our clips here, we come here, we click on import to get our clips on CapCut, and you can see our clips. So we click here and highlight every one of them and click open, and voila, we have our pictures and we also have our video. So yeah, step 2, load our video on the timeline, able to get the particular parts of the clip that we want. Basically on this clip, we won't be needing like the audio coming from the video itself. Click on the video clip and we come over here and we click and bring down this to take off the audio. So after that, we'll want to begin to sort out our clip. So since we're focused on reels, we want to make like a vertical video out of this and not a HD video. We can just come here, CapCut, come here, click here, and able to see all other styles, and you can see this is vertical. Click on vertical and it changes our whole video setup on CapCut. You can increase it to see how you want, but if you notice your video is still in HD, right, just that your preview is one-sided. So we can come down to ratio, come down here to ratio, click on ratio and come down here, come here to 916, which is, you can see, in vertical size. So we click on it and voila, you have our vertical size. So since we want the clip to fill up here, because it feels like, when the clip is full, you get people's attention more than when the clip is this way. It becomes too small for phones to see. So we click on it and we come to scale, and we scale it up. And if you notice, we need to follow the ball. We need to follow the ball where the ball is. So definitely at this moment you can't see the ball, so I have to click here, hold shift. So I click hold shift so I don't change the position of my clip, and I shift to where the ball is. He's about to kick the ball. So at this point where he's about to kick the ball, we put the time frame there. We come to transform, click here, transform, to add a time frame here, then we allow it go to see where the ball is going to. Click and we hold shifts, so if you see it's moving on the same line. So here the ball is about to go out of our frame again, so we click on another time frame here, and we come here, we hold, click on the video on your preview, hold shift so it remains on this without going out, and yeah, we give it a little space to see. You can see that the ball is still going out of frame, so we just keep tracking the ball, and we're done with our first clip. So we just repeat the same thing on the second clip also. From here we can begin to slide in our pictures, so drag in our pictures and drop, and we scale it to feel the space in the scale. So we can do 5 milliseconds or 3 milliseconds, like 1 2 3 4 5 cuts, 1 2 3 4 5 cuts, 1 2 3 4 5 cuts, 1 2 3 4 5 cut, 1 2 3 4 5 cut, 1 2 3 4 5. Control B to cut, 1 2 3 4 5. Control B to cut, 1 2 3 4 5. Control B, 1 2 3 4 5. Control B, 1 2 3 4 5. Control B, 1 2 3 4 5. Control B. You can magnify or zoom in to see our clips very well, so we can just begin to add other clips to it. Yeah, just adjust it. We'll come here, put in this one, bring it to the middle, just adjust them to fit in very well. As you're fixing, you adjust them to fit in very well. Just follow these steps step by step, and at the end of the day, you guys are going to see the beautiful job you're able to do to create a very good, catchy football clip. So yeah, so you can reduce this and delete the rest. So we can multiply this, Control copy, Control C, and Control V to paste, and just align it. I think it's up to 30 seconds, right? I just want to make it a 30 seconds clip, so paste another one again. Voila, I think it's 30 seconds now, so let's see how fast it plays. Okay, yeah, so now we're done cutting our clip. So the next, we give it a good audio to give it that football vibe. So we come to we go to audio, and we go to music, and we search for football on the music area, and we're able to find like different clips. So, like this is for the football sound. Maybe we want all of the shouting, the roaring, and all of that, like goal cheering, and also we look for an audio clip that has maybe work, but maybe down here. Look at it. So I believe with this we have our clip. So, but if you notice, the clip itself is really not that clear. Yeah, it's clear, but it's not as sharp as we want it to be. So at this point, we can add something to it by going to the adjustment layer, click and drag custom adjust on all. So we click to where the clip is, or where the picture is for the video clip itself, and we go to adjust, and we go down to sharpen and clarity. Whoa, that was easy and that was sweet for me. Now, if for any reason you find it difficult, going through this process, feel free to just replay the video back again and make sure you go step by step until you get it right. And if your hands are not so heavy, make sure to give us a like, subscribe to this channel, and turn on the notification bell. So if you upload a new video, you get a notification and you won't miss out of this. Until the next time, see you again.